Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a video about my favorite pair of leggings literally ever. And if you have not tried a pair of these yet, then I don't know what you're waiting for. You are seriously missing out because I live in these leggings no matter what the occasion is. I can dress these up and pretend like I'm not wearing leggings. I can just wear them for, you know, an athleisure outfit. I wear them to work out. I wear them to lounge around the house. They are just the most comfortable pair of leggings you will ever put on your body, and they are by Lululemon, and I have them in tons of different colors and styles. These are the Align legging, and they feel like butter. They almost feel like you're not wearing any clothes at all. The fabric on these is just so forgiving. It's like, it's stretchy, but it still pulls you in, sucks you in, but it's not so restricting that if you're feeling bloated or uncomfortable, the high-waisted is not going to make you feel like something is cutting into your belly in any way. It's the perfect height of high-rise. They also have an extra high-rise, which I personally don't like because I find that they roll down, but this original height don't roll down on me at all. I have worn and washed these for over a year and a half, almost 2 years, and they still look absolutely brand new. And they almost get better as you wash them and as you've had them. I like these because I can wear them for absolutely anything and I don't have to think about it. Like if I want to wear them just out and about as part of my outfit, and then I go to the gym later and work out in them, they can transfer from day to working out very easily. They're so comfortable. They don't shift, they don't move, they don't constantly fall down. You don't have to be pulling them up while you're working out. They are just absolutely incredible. They're technically not made for working out. I think that these ones are made for yoga, but I haven't had any issues with them getting balled up in the crotch inner thigh area from rubbing together. I haven't had an issue like that, and I've had about 10 pairs of them over the past few years and I've had no issues. I wear them for leg day, I wear them for cardio, I wear them for upper body day, I wear them all of the time. They are my go-to leggings for absolutely everything. None of my other pairs, even though I have a ton of different styles from Lululemon, none of them compare to the amount of times I reach for my Align versus absolutely anything else. They are just foolproof. My favorite legging absolutely ever. As always, if you're interested in these leggings, I will have them linked in the description box below. That way you guys can have a direct link to go and check them out. Super easy. I've done the work for you. And if you do try them out, please let me know how you like them in the comments section below or message me on Instagram. I would love to hear how they feel for you, how they work for you, because they have been a game changer for me and to anyone else that I have recommended them to up until this point. Wow, words are not coming out because I'm so excited. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps me out so much, more than you know. And hopefully I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.